In this video, I'll show you how to customize the trackpad on your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. First, you go into the settings and then go to trackpad, and here you have a few settings that you might want to change. For example, the lookup and data detector or the secondary click, you could change that if you want to, and also the more gestures, swipe between pages and swipe between full screen applications. If you don't like the default settings, the default swipe settings, you can change that. You can also change the settings for mission control and app expose. Swipe up with 4 fingers, swipe down with 4 fingers. I prefer it like this. You can also change it to swipe down with 3 fingers or swipe up with 3 fingers, or you can even turn it off if you want to. And you also have the option where you can turn off the show desktop shortcut. These are demonstrated here on this animation on the top of the screen, and you can easily use the trackpad to move between pages, to scroll, and I prefer to change the tracking speed to a little bit more faster setting, so I don't have to go to all the way to the edge of the trackpad. You can check here, you can set the tracking speed, and then you try to go from one corner to the other and see if it's comfortable for you. And I want to show you now, like a small example. I'm using the trackpad and it's easy to move things around. This is also a matter of preference, so you might want to leave the default settings for the trackpad speed, but I prefer to have it a little bit faster. You can drag folders around on the desktop. You can select items, so you can select by pressing on the trackpad and holding and dragging. And this is pretty much similar to Windows if you're coming from a Windows PC. I'm coming from a Windows PC, so some things are a little bit different, but it's not really such a big problem. The way you drag and drop is really the same on the trackpad for a Mac, MacBook, or for Windows. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you move from Windows to Mac.